She ain't gonna want us to go down here. But, yeah, they're more cleaned up already.
Okay, so hello guys, Zoom Death 4010 here, and it seems that a branch or a tree has fallen over there, down there. So, yeah, people have been coming this way, and then they have to turn around and, go back, because, it's like, you know, fire truck and, people over there cutting branches with, okay, now you can actually kind of see it. You see over there? Right over there, hold on. Yeah, like right over there, some branches fell on the road. Yeah, that's just about it. That was what they were trying to cut. Cut them into pieces so that you know, people can get by the road and stuff. So yeah, here's the fire truck. It's pretty cool. This is the very first exciting thing that ever actually happened here. For once in my life, something exciting happened, I guess. So, and apparently the power lines have gone out, and we have to go back to my house and go. Okay, so see you guys later. I hope you enjoyed the video. And yeah, bye.